Oksana, how to say about my feelings in English? How to say what I feel?
Let's bring color to your words. Colors plus emotions, language that sticks. Let's feel it. Let's say it. Now, every emotion we will show and say it in color. Repeat after me.
Okay.
I'm happy.
I
Like yellow
feel
color, like
happy.
sun. I'm happy. I'm happy. Yellow sun. It's raining. Blue color everywhere. I'm sad. I'm sad.
I feel
I'm
sad today. My
It's
mood
blue.
is blue, like a rainy day.
I'm angry. Red is everywhere. I'm angry.
I feel angry.
I'm calm. Like green tree. I'm calm. I'm
My mood is
breathing with green. I'm
I
feeling
feel
green.
calm.
Like
I feel with green color like tree.
I'm excited. Orange color everywhere. I'm excited. I'm excited.
I feel orange.
Okay,
I feel excited.
let's play a game.
Excited. I feel excited. Orange.
Okay, let's
mood is
play a game.
everywhere.
I will say, you will show your emotions.
Okay.
Excited.
Excited.
Angry.
That
Calm.
I feel angry. Daddy, I feel calm.
Sad. Sad. You're sad.
Oh, I feel sad.
Happy.
I feel happy.
Okay. Good. Good, Oksana. Now I will show,
Okay.
you will say.
I feel sad. Blue. I feel sad. I feel angry. Yes, I feel angry. I feel calm, green color like tree. Excited. I feel excited. Orange color is everywhere. Yes.
Now I will show, you will say.
I feel sad today. My mood is blue, like rainy day. I feel happy. I feel happy. I feel angry. I feel angry. My mood is green. I feel excited. I feel I feel excited. Excited. I feel excited. Orange mood is everywhere. It's so easy now to remember all these expressions. Oh, it's easy to say what I feel. Now I know this is orange. This is angry. I'm happy. Like sun is shining. When you connect a word to a color, a movement, and the feeling, your brain stores it deeper. This is called multisensory association. It's not just vocabulary. This is memory. This is emotion. This is you. Feel it, speak it, color it, and remember it forever.